Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic. Today I'm going to show you how you can download and install the One Piece Bounty Rush game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application on your device and make sure that you are logged in using your email address and your password. Once you are taken into the store page, click on the search box and then type in One Piece Bounty Rush and begin your search. Once you find the game, you can click on it, and this will take you into the game page where you can watch the trailer and also check the reviews. In order to download or install, scroll down and then click on the Add to Library button. Once it has been added to your library, you can just click on the Play Now button, which will then begin the installation of the game. Just wait until the installation process is completed, and once you see the play button, you can tap on it to open up the game and start enjoying right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the One Piece Bounty Rush game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.